When it comes to household cleaning appliances, this Shark HydroVac MessMaster Cordless 3-in-1 is a game changer. This versatile cleaner offers the convenience of vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning in one sleek device. Designed to tackle both wet and dry messes, it promises to simplify your cleaning routine while delivering impressive results. In this detailed review, we'll dive into the features, performance, and benefits of the Shark HydroVac MessMaster to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home. Overview of features. The Shark HydroVac MessMaster combines 3 essential cleaning functions: vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning. This multi-surface cleaner is designed to deep clean hard floors and refresh area rugs, making it a versatile addition to any household. One of the standout features of this device is its ability to handle both wet and dry messes. Whether you're dealing with dirt and debris, spilled liquids, or stubborn stains, the powerful suction and hydro mopping capabilities ensure a streak-free, spotless finish. The continuous self-cleaning brush roll is a brilliant innovation. It helps prevent dirt and grime from being redeposited onto your floors, ensuring that every cleaning session starts fresh. This feature is particularly beneficial for maintaining hygiene and efficiency. The rinse cycle on the charging dock cleans the system of any remaining debris, so the HydroVac MessMaster is always ready for its next use. This feature saves time and effort, as you won't need to manually clean the device after each use. The HydroVac MessMaster is designed for all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, marble, and laminate. It also effectively removes surface dirt and odors from area rugs, making it an all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs. The included 12-ounce multi-surface concentrate features odor neutralizer technology. This not only cleans your floors, but also reduces and prevents odors from reforming. This feature is especially useful for pet owners dealing with lingering smells. The debris filtration technology in the dirty water tank separates solids from liquids, making it quick and easy to empty the tank. This design minimizes mess and simplifies the cleaning process. With cordless functionality, the HydroVac MessMaster allows you to move freely between rooms without being tethered to an outlet. This convenience makes cleaning large areas and multi-room spaces much easier. The intuitive LED display lets you seamlessly switch between cleaning modes and provides real-time updates on battery life and tank levels. This smart feature ensures you always know when it's time to recharge or refill. The package includes the Shark HydroVac MessMaster Cordless Multi-Surface Cleaner, a 12-ounce multi-surface concentrate, a brush roll, a foam filter, and a charging dock. These components provide everything you need to get started and maintain your device. The Shark HydroVac MessMaster excels in both suction power and mopping efficiency. The Duoclean PowerFins technology digs deep into carpets and directly engages hard floors, ensuring thorough cleaning. The Stain Boost mode, which delivers twice the cleaning solution compared to normal mode, is particularly effective for tough stains and high-traffic areas. Using the HydroVac MessMaster is straightforward. The controls are user-friendly, and the LED display provides clear guidance. Switching between vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning modes is seamless, and the cordless design enhances maneuverability. The device offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, which is sufficient for most cleaning tasks. The removable battery is a convenient feature, allowing for easy recharging and potential battery replacement in the future. Maintaining the HydroVac MessMaster is simple thanks to the self-cleaning brush roll and rinse cycle on the dock. The debris filtration system also makes emptying the dirty water tank hassle-free. Regular maintenance is minimal, involving occasional filter cleaning and brush roll checks. Conclusion: the Shark HydroVac MessMaster Cordless 3-in-1 is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that delivers on its promises. Its ability to vacuum, mop, and self-clean makes it a valuable addition to any home, especially for pet owners and those dealing with frequent messes. The combination of powerful suction, efficient mopping, and odor-neutralizing technology ensures a thorough and fresh clean every time. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to keep your home spotless, the Shark HydroVac MessMaster is worth considering. Its user-friendly design, cordless convenience, and multi-surface capabilities make it a standout choice in the world of home cleaning appliances. With the Shark HydroVac MessMaster, maintaining a clean and fresh home has never been easier. Experience the future of cleaning with this innovative 3-in-1 solution. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.